Can we time travel? But the question is, should we time travel? Imagine if humans could finally time travel. Imagine the atrocities they would commit. We wouldn't even trust humans with weapons. Forget time travel. But imagine if we could time travel. How abusive would humans be with it? Anyway, we are constantly traveling through space and time. So for your theoretical time machine to actually work, you'd need to properly calculate the coordinates of space and time, or else you'd transport yourself into some void and be stuck there. But think about it. Is there a proper, malleable point in time in the past that we can actually go to? Is the past a real intangible thing? Or is it just a fragment of our imagination? What if all the moments we experience are actually stored or uploaded in some cosmic server that can be retrieved or accessed later? If the past is just a fragment of our imagination, then there's no way we can actually travel back and alter events because you cannot access it. Maybe we could create some super advanced memory retrieval machine to regenerate the memories and make you live through them like a hyper-realistic movie. Moving on, time travel still remains the stuff of science fiction. The only way we can theoretically time travel is by orbiting a black hole for a couple of years. And by the time you come back home, your friends would have lost their youth, custody of their kids, and ambition to live. Keeping all the impossibilities aside, let's say you do travel back in time. So now, is your consciousness transported to the younger version of you? If that's the case, then what would happen if you traveled back to a time when you were a baby? Would your baby brain be able to handle all the information? Or would it collapse? Or, if there's a separate version of you, a future version of you in the past, then what would happen in the present? Would you be presumed missing? Or would the universe create a backup copy of you to balance the universal equilibrium? Well, these are actually a lot of complicated questions to which there may not be answers. Maybe we'll get answers to some of them in the future. Hopefully, yes.